Alright, so, as always, if you enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this in the future. So today, I got this. This is a P3 protein pack. I think I've had one on the channel before, but I think the one that I had was ham and cheddar. So, go find and watch that video, and then come back to this one. Now, this is turkey, Colby Jack, and almonds. P3 packs are like some of my favorite things on the entire planet. And they're just amazing. Because all the ingredients are really high quality. It's easy to forget these are made by Oscar Mayer, which you could have fooled me. So, I got Dr. Pepper today. So, let's see. If you're wondering why I'm all dolled up, it's because I'm about to be heading to university, because tonight we begin the technical process for the current show. So tonight's the very first night for that. Tonight is what's called take-in. Take-in is, so in the world of theater, and the way I like to eat these is I like to get one of each. So I'll get one almond, one piece of turkey, one piece of cheese. I'll eat them all at the same time. Makes the flavors mix together really well. So, but in the world of theater, take-in refers to the first day that we are actually on stage for rehearsal. Most theater companies, most professional theater companies, depending on their size, have their own off-site scene shops or off-site rehearsal spaces away from the actual theater itself. And so take-in is the first night or first day that we are all going to be in the theater trying to make the show. So, pretty awesome. And that's the reason why I am wearing my suit. I have the nice red bow tie, as you can see. It was an absolute nightmare to go find this bow tie, to go find any bow tie, because the day I went to go buy it, because I had lost my other ones. I used to have a nice golden bow tie, really sexy, but I lost it. Like I had like a blue one at some point, lost that one too. Or I probably didn't lose it. My family is most likely the ones who lost it when they moved me out of my apartment back into my parents' house. And so I found out the day I went to go buy this thing that apparently Walmart does not sell ties anymore. Not ties, not bow ties, not bolo ties. They don't sell ties. So I didn't learn that until I got to the second Walmart in the town that the theater's in. The woman who told me was very nice. She said, "Go try Ross." Ross was just down the road. And Ross is a clothing store kind of similar to Goodwill. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's a clothing store kind of similar to Goodwill. So I went in. Looked around the store for a few minutes. Found this nice red bow tie, and I was like, yes! Because it was literally the first one I saw, and I didn't have enough time. I didn't have any time before my meeting that I was supposed to be in to try to get another one, or try to keep looking for a different one. And so I got this one. It's a good size. It fits really well. It fits really well. And now I look like a sexy businessman. It's all pretty good. So, yeah, that's that. That thing was amazing. Dr. Pepper is always really good. I was like, I don't know if I can get out a big one for you guys. Oh, that's nice. Right. So, if you all enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this in the future. Whenever you all do that for me, helps me stay motivated to make more content for you all in the future. Once again, thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.